Hi Sagittarius, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Sagittarius, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. Sagittarius, we are picking few cards, guys. So these are for your general energies, this is for your relationship, and this card is for your career situation, guys. Sagittarius. If you want more clarity or if you have any doubts or confusion, guys, you can watch the special fairy tale pick a card love reading I have after this general energy. So let's start with these cards. Sagittarius, we have Seven of Wands, Sun, and Ace of Swords in reverse. So Sagittarius, in your situation, guys, you are facing lot of obstacles, hurdles. You are putting in tremendous efforts to make things go in the right way. It may be in your career or it may be in your personal life. You are trying to be responsible. You are doing everything within your power, using your skills and talents to work hard to make everything possible for you in your personal life or in your career. You're using putting in lot of efforts, trying really hard or working really hard, but there are certain troubles in your situation, maybe some delays you may see in projects or some suspensions. But whatever it is, guys, Sagittarius, you are working hard and you are in a very advantageous position today, guys. Maybe uh, you have the uh, you have courage in your heart to face any difficult situation, and that is giving you an advantage over other people. So in your work, many people are working hard, but no one is as strong as you guys may be. And I also see that maybe in this relationship or it may be in your work again, you are seeing some difficulties, maybe some misunderstandings with this person, or uh, for some of you, it may be your actions, maybe you have done something or the way you are behaving. Maybe you have your instincts telling you that you need to speak those words or you need to go for that actions. But today, guys, Sagittarius, you need to wait, because what you speak or what you do, it is going to go against you, guys, and people are going to feel offended, or it may take you towards some troubles if you behave that way or if you speak that way. So you need to be careful. But Sagittarius, this Sun card here, it's a very positive card here, guys. So no matter what troubles you are facing today, you are going to be what to say resolve all that, and things are going to move in a very positive way towards prosperity and abundance and happiness, guys. So that is what I see with these cards, guys. Sagittarius, let's see what is the card specific to your relationship. We have Seven of Pentacles. So with this card in your situation, guys, Sagittarius, you are just waiting for the right time, maybe to approach this person. Maybe you want to propose to them to get married, or you want to get engaged. So maybe you are thinking hard, you have a certain level of understanding, and you have a relationship flowering between you both. So you are thinking whether to give it time or whether to go forward, move to the next step, guys, Sagittarius. So let's see what is the card for your career situation. We have Queen of Wands in reverse. So with this card, guys, just like we saw with the previous cards, there is some kind of stress or worry in your career situation. Maybe you're working hard, doing everything possible in your power, but there are people who are competing with you or who are jealous of you. So that may be the reason for troubles, guys, in your career situation, Sagittarius. So that is the reading for you all today, guys, Sagittarius. If you want more clarity, you can watch the fairy tale special pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards and it is going to be a special pick a card love reading, fairy tale pick a card love reading. So let's see what is your story. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So this is your first card and this is your second card, or you can choose with the crystals here. So let's start the reading after a few seconds of silence, guys. Okay, guys, so now let's start with the first card. I will move this card aside. We will see what is the card for y'all, guys, with this crystal. And what is the card? We have the princess who never smiled, healing. So that is the card for y'all, guys, for those who have chosen this first card. So in your situation today, guys, you are healing. Maybe you would have faced some difficult situation in your relationship or in your life. A lot of struggles you had been through and it was quite depressing, and you were really in sadness, grieving. Maybe someone has moved out or some kind of stress. Maybe you would have gone through a breakup, something that was worrying you a lot. But today with this card, the energy is that your grief is coming to an end today, guys. So in your situation, all that grief, troubles or whatever struggles you were facing, it is coming to an end today, guys. And you are going to meet a loving, honest person, kind and compassionate soul, who is going to heal your heart, who is going to make you laugh, and all your stress and all your depressing times are coming to an end today, guys. And there are certain positive, unexpected things waiting to unfold for you in your love. So you may find this person, you may not know them before, but you may just find them accidentally, or they may come into your life accidentally, and they are going to heal you all that negative energy that you have, all that sadness and stress, whatever it is, and they are going to make you laugh. And these changes are forever, guys, and it is going to help you for the better. So that is what I see with this card for those who have chosen this first card. That is the reading, guys. So let's see what is the second card, guys. For those who chose the second crystal and the second card, we have the day boy and night girl, balance. And the energy with this card for those who have chosen this card and this crystal. So today you are moving towards that balance in your life, guys. Maybe you are afraid of that warmth of love or joy that you experience in your relationship, or you are hiding from the darkness, maybe that boredom or stillness you feel. Maybe sometimes we feel stuck, we don't know what to do, that quietness, or some stressful times, maybe some arguments or stress, whatever negative things that are there. So in order to make this relationship flourish, we have to find that balance in our relationship, in our life, guys. Only then we will have that wholeness or completeness in our life. So you need to overcome your fears, and there is someone helping you. Maybe this person you love, they are helping you come out of your fear or whatever stress or whatever you are trying to avoid, maybe, guys. So this is the time for you to give up your fear and start fresh, have that freshness in your relationship. And maybe for some of you, you are healing from your traumatic past. Maybe your childhood days, you would have seen some bad things or some really worrying experiences, but you are coming out of it, you are healing from it, and there is a whole new world right in front of you to explore today, guys. And this person may be helping you out today to experience that happiness or that wholeness in your situation, trying to find that balance and trying to adapt that positive and negative energies we all have within ourselves, guys. So that is the reading for y'all today, guys, with this card. Thank you for watching. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.